Hello, this is Ms. Delaney with a little presentation on my Math 9/Algebra class. I wanted to prepare this ahead of time to share with you so you can go over it, and that way if you have any questions, you're more than welcome to drop into my Zoom, my back to school virtual Zoom, and ask and get clarification for anything. But anyway, I prepared this for you, so here we go. A couple topics I wanted to discuss are the mild SDC program. I have a picture of the textbook for you. I have also a couple of class descriptors. I wanted to go over my rules and expectations. And also I wanted to share some online tools and apps we will be using, as well as my contact information. The mild SDC program. So all of the classes Ms. Correa and I teach do meet high school graduation requirements. So our students will end up with a Monte Vista diploma when they are done. Um, However, our courses do not satisfy the A through G requirements. Those are the four-year university requirements. So our students are eligible for community college straight after Monte Vista. And then if they desire from there, they can go to a four-year. We are a community college track program. Um, a couple things Ms. Correa and I work on, some big skills that we think are really valuable to students are advocacy and study and homework. These are good skills to learn and then take them and use them throughout their life. If they pursue academics after Monte Vista or just anything that they can do later on. So these are good skills to have. Um, Definitely in high school and to use again, like I said, after life after Monte Vista. This is the textbook. This is new to me this year, so I'm really excited. And the great news is it's online. So I'm going to be using this and providing students with notes out of this book. But yeah, this is a great book, and I had a chance to look at it over the summer. So I'm really excited about this book, this Big Ideas. All right, just a couple class descriptors. Again, as I mentioned, this is a modified curriculum, so it's not eligible for four-year universities. It doesn't meet their requirements. It is Common Core aligned, and in addition to the textbook, I like to use other resources, especially online tools and materials, just because I'm always looking for that perfect problem. Um, I know math isn't perfect and it doesn't always follow a formula, but I like to use as many resources, if anything, just to supplement and add a little excitement to the class, but also just to look for that perfect example, that perfect problem. Um, some skills that I will be teaching in the Math 9 and Algebra class um, uh, involve solving equations, solving inequalities, um, using slope and finding like the equations of slopes and the lines of slopes. So we do a lot of slope work, but also we'll do a lot of adding and subtracting with integers, especially when we come to solving equations. Okay, rules and expectations. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on. It is in my course policy. I just want to kind of go over the basics that students start with 100 points, and they always have an opportunity to earn back some points. But I just have a 1, 2, and 5 point deduction system. So 1 point is just minor poor choices. Then it goes up to 2, where the students are being a little more disruptive, and then 5. And 5, if students or a student unfortunately keeps making a poor choice, then I will involve administration and parents. But I don't anticipate passing out or giving out a lot of 5-point deductions. But I do have this because I am trying to foster an environment of learning and a love of learning. And I don't want any student to feel like they cannot participate or express themselves. So I do have this. I hope not to use it, but it's there. And again, as I mentioned, students have the opportunity to earn points back. So a couple of online tools and resource that I was talking about, Edpuzzle. I love Edpuzzle. It's even in math, I can use Edpuzzle. It's a great way to involve and engage students and get them to think about higher learning. Also used Khan Academy in the past. It has a myriad of subjects and videos. And then also the PBS Learning Media. This is it's through the PBS station company broadcasting. I don't know what word to use, sorry. But they have some great math materials. So I like this PBS Learning Media website. And then the last thing is the IXL, which is brand new to me, but I'm really excited about. I had a chance to look at it a little bit before school started. It's just a great resource and opportunity for students to practice skills and keep practicing skills. So I'm really excited about IXL. Um, some apps, Flipgrid, Poll Everywhere, Remind. Actually, Remind is brand new to me, so I'm super excited. I think it's going to be a great way for students to stay on track. I wish I had it when I was a high school student, but anyway, I'm very excited. It's new to me, so it'll be a great adventure. And then Kahoot. I love Kahoot. I think you can make any sort of Kahoot puzzle or quiz. So love the Kahoot. Um, okay, so that's it. My contact information. I'm at bdelaney@srvusd.net. My cell phone is 408-7759. And then my classroom, we will return to the classroom, and that phone number is 314-1932. So please reach out to me anytime. And I'm excited about this year. I look forward to working with your children. And yeah, please just reach out to me anytime. Thanks, and I will see you tomorrow night. Good night.